my beautiful crafty friends. It is that time of year where we want to make some cute presents for people or make little albums for craft fairs or Christmas markets. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing a few different fairly simple albums and folios that you can do for either those markets or gifts. So the first one that I have for you, I have decorated it in the Kaisercraft Frosted collection. This is a fairly old collection. I'm trying to use up some of my older Christmas papers, but you can do it in whatever paper collection you so desire. There will be a tutorial on this album starting tomorrow. It's a 5 1/4 by 8 1/4 inch album, so kind of like a slim line, and that is what it looks like on the outside. Simple ribbon closure. When you open it up, it's a mirror image on either side. These both open up like that. And I'll just kind of go one side at a time to try and keep it all in frame, but they are mirror images of each other. So over here we've got a pocket with a photo tag, or you could do some journaling with a white gel pen, and then this one is just blank again for photos and or journaling, so those come out of the pocket. And then this opens to the side and to the side again. I've left this part blank so you can put photos in there. The tags kind of keep that flap closed. On this side, this opens to the right, and then we've got a swing tab, swings out of the way, and it's magnetized. And this opens to the top, and this opens to the bottom. And again, magnetized little tab, and it opens like that for some journaling and photos. And also on the bottom does the same thing. And then those both close back up, and this swings around, and that closes, and that closes. And then over here is the mirror image. Okay, so we've got the pocket, we've got this part that opens up, and then that opens, again a swing tab, and then these both open the same way. So there it is, a super quick and easy little folio. It can hold quite a few pictures though for how small it is. So you can definitely create this as a Christmas album using some Christmas paper, or you can use a different paper collection. Tomorrow when I begin the tutorial, I will be using my own paper collection that is called Old World Textures. I just got back from a trip to Europe, and I was completely in love with all the textures of the cobblestone streets and the terracotta roofs and the bricks and all the rest of it. So I took quite a few pictures, and this is the collection of all of those textures. So we've got some beautiful brick. Oh, I just loved how things just kind of change over the years, and I love when nature starts to like take over the brick and find its little footholds, and the terracotta roofs. I was in Italy, Croatia, and Albania, and it was just phenomenal. So this collection is available in my Etsy shop now. So I just thought I'd give you a quick peek at what we'll be working with tomorrow, what I'll be working with tomorrow. You can use whatever paper collection you like, but I do think that this is worth checking out. They're not always easy to walk on, these streets though. And these ones, they're very, very slippery. They polish them quite a bit. And some more brick. And this is a gorgeous set of stairs. Anyone who is a Game of Thrones fan, this is a staircase that the preacher was preaching on in one of the episodes. And then I also did some of the pieces in like a longer form, and just some different kind of cut aparts so you can use them in different ways. And then I also did some plain colored backgrounds because you always need a place for your eye to kind of rest. So I kind of just vintaged them up a little bit, and they just go perfectly with the colors in the textures of the brick, etc. And there we go. So there's 34 pages in all. So I hope you will check that out, and then come back tomorrow and we will start creating this wonderful little album. All right, so I hope to see you tomorrow and we will start creating. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an absolutely beautiful day. Bye!